There's an outpouring of abundance.
Today I celebrate 3 special days: my birthday, my 3rd baptism anniversary, and the rebirth of my brand, Marini Naturals. Welcome to the set apart Marini Naturals. Nothing has tested my faith quite like my business journey. In 3 years, God has changed everything about me, not just spiritually, but also professionally. My mind, my calling, and my idea of success. Above all, my relationship with business and faith. I now understand better why I create products, campaigns, and movements. I create because He created first. Today, fresh oil has been poured all over this brand and ready for the world to experience. What a beautiful double meaning. Spiritually, it's a fresh purpose and anointing. And physically, because all Marini Naturals products have always been a brand of fresh butters and oils. On this special day, I officially relaunch Marini Naturals as a bold, faith-based beauty brand, unapologetic about its new CEO, Jesus Christ. And I, Michelle Ntalami, reintroduce myself as a faithful steward and kingdom entrepreneur called to restore God's purpose in business and the beauty industry. May His design for beauty be known to every woman. This relaunch is deeply personal for me because I know what it has cost me. Being a Christian entrepreneur has made me deny myself in ways I've never had to in my life. I came from a world where if I want it, I have it. Now I lay every decision before God. These products have been created by hands that have been through the fire, tried and tested. I have spent months praying over the company, decreeing over the formulations, consecrating every process. So, when you apply a Marini product, you are not just styling your hair or moisturizing your skin. You are also anointing yourself. You are participating in something bigger than just beauty. It is ministry. My prayer is that every person who encounters this new season of Marini Naturals will experience confidence, restoration, and beauty God's way. To every single person who prayed, who stayed, who kept believing, thank you. The Lord has done it, guys. Welcome to the faith-based Marini Naturals. Welcome to business as ministry. And welcome to fresh oil.
The glory of the latter is greater than the former. The blessing is here, is all here. There's an overflow, abundance of